To me, unity is how much people feel connected to each other in a community, how much they're willing to help each other out and work together.
Unity to me is standing with and supporting the community that you're in despite the differences that you may have with other people.
To me, unity is just understanding that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts.
Unity to me is coming together as a community to help build up and support one another, kind of focusing on one common goal so that we can keep moving forward and progressing.
It allows us to look beyond the surface level differences we have and see this immense pool of similarities.
Unity in Yoruba is Unkin, which means for one people, for one purpose. And so unity to me is that we would all love and respect one another for one people, for one purpose.
Equality is a step beyond unity. It's the step where you go beyond just understanding and you go into a zone of empathizing with others.
Equality to me is when everyone has the same rights, are treated the same way, and are given the same opportunities and resources that they need to succeed.
Not focusing on the differences of people, but just making sure across the board everyone has the same opportunities so they can thrive and be successful.
Equality would mean that I wouldn't just be a Black student, I would be a student. It means that I would be judged solely off of my actions and not my skin color or my gender.
Recognizing differences and recognizing our privileges and how we can help others is the first step to achieving equity.
I think it's really important to remember that justice and equity and equality, they're not something that the courts or senators grant us. It lies within the people.
Unity, equality, and equity are obviously very important in society, and people in power need to be able to help people and help them progress in society in order for that to be accomplished.
We have to get people in office that will work together, will compromise, because that's the only way we're going to see any true type of progression. That'll lead us to bring change in terms of policy that'll allow everyone an equitable level of opportunity.
Prince William County, we're a very united and thriving community, but there's always room for growth and improvement, and I think my generation as a whole, we're those change makers that we can really make change in not only our community at Prince William County, but the country as a whole. So I really think my generation needs to stay educated to really learn from generations before us.